let's start to exploring that AI Watson course assistant in IBM App Connect Interface Toolkit. And this feature is now available in Toolkit version 13.0.4 and above. That means already the 13.0.5 is released, so you can get these features in 13.0.4.0 and 13.0.5.0. So why I am exploring this feature in the toolkit, so I actually use the 13.0.5.0 toolkit version, and as you can see that it can provide generate code suggestion, explain code application, documentation, and generate unit test. And also you don't need to install anything in the toolkit. If you go to the toolkit like here, you see this option, open Watson code suggestion chat. When you click this, you will see this chat. As in my toolkit, I already integrated that Watson code assistant, so you can see that chat is going on. But to configure first, what you have to do, when you go there in the toolkit, you will see this in the chat option, login with API key, and some details that what it's do, generate code suggestion, explain code and application, document code, generate unit test. So login with API key, so you need the API key, correct? And you will get the API key from IBM Cloud. So you see this option instruction. If you click here in that option, it's specifically given the details. Okay, and that in that details there is a two option for single user and organization. For my POC, I just quickly did with single user, but definitely for any organization use, you have to do the organization, and you have to do little bit resource group and adding the developer there so that all the developer in your organization can access that. But for this POC, I simply did for single user. So if you see there, what I did, so if you click in that API key, blue highlighted one, login with your API key, you will get this screen, and here you have to put the API key, and and there is instructions. This is the URL actually. When you click this URL, it will go. So if I go here, you will see the instruction is clearly given. What you have to do is very clearly given. You have to follow step by step, and then you will get the API key and everything will be ready. So now come into the next step, what you have to do, as I already did, so I can show you. So initially, if you have free account, you will not get these features. So if you see here, I have the free account, and it says okay, you don't have this option, you have to at least go pay as you go, or that type or other or enterprise type. This option will be definitely available. So that's why I initially upgrade that one. So for this one, I have to give some payment method. Then initially they give $200 credit to me also. So currently for more than a month, I have $200 credit. Then I started the provisioning. So initially you have will get three of location option: USA, Sydney, Australia, and another one. So initially I just though I am doing this POC as sitting at USA, I started with Sydney, and then when I added the API key, I faced some challenges. So then I again delete that Australia instance, and then I enable another Dallas USA instance, and it started working. So for that, if you see my screenshot here, it is QA. For USA it will be 37, but other everything is same, so you will get same thing. Once you click on this create, it will give this screen. Then you do launch version code assistance, it will give this screen. Then you click on this arrow, it will go to the next, and then you have to select this IBM code assistant name, and here I think when you code assistant service, I'm not sure initially I did wrong or not, but later I see 37 and it's in the USA and create. Then it started to work. Okay, then after that, simply there is IBM window in the API key section. You just go there, and create API key. So if it is same account, obviously with this API key we'll get to access your IBM Code Assistant. So with that API key, if you see here, the API key is ready, and with that API key, what I did, yeah, you see here, USA Dallas, my Watson instance is there, and I just simply add that API key in the toolkit, and then I get this view, it is running. Then I put some comment, uh, create like small application with USQL code. He just hello world, he just give what to do. So it's a code assistant, so definitely you will not get the feature like agentic mode kind of thing, but what you can see agentic thing, IBM is uh, coming with agentic thing. So you can see in the public view the IBM acquired agent. So definitely in coming future you'll get the agentic AI thing. So that will definitely create. I'm hoping create some code directly in the workspace. And now obviously we can use these features and uh, take help in our development. For example, let's say I have some Python. I have some Python application, sample application, and if I go calculate a factor, okay. So let me ask the toolkit to transfer these to ESQL code. Okay, convert the Python code to ES IBM ESQL code. Let's see how it is reply. So it's a simple whatever uh, in your project development you need, you can quickly create. So it's give some code. Okay, uh, factorial calculation good. So let's see, I take these and paste here in one compute node, then did the format, then save. Okay, so all good, but I think else if, I think this will be else if. Okay, so apart from that, and what other error is there? And okay, so I think I have not deleted the code properly, that's why this error. So see, it's almost given the code. Only thing is that one line you have to correct, but you can think of that how, your overall development effort will be faster. You don't need to do all those things. Definitely in chat you can put your requirement, and it will obviously give the code snippet. Then you just review and do the testing, and obviously uh, you can then follow the software life cycle for your code promotion and others. But definitely this will faster your overall uh, project development time. So next I will quickly wanted to show you the IBM Cloud. So for example, for my IBM Cloud, whenever you log in there, if you follow those steps, then you come here, and in the resource list you can easily see that what is actually provisioned. For me, you can see the IBM Watson Assistant is provisioned here. Okay, this is some features I wanted to show you, so you can see that total token consumed 32, and in my plan I get this much. So I just from yesterday few more times I just trying. So accordingly, or uses you can see quickly from here, and also billing uses you can see what kind of billing service you have. For example, if I go to the uses, you can see my actually now what's IBM Watson Code Assistance and Cloud Object Storage. These two service I provision. I have a free plan, so definitely I can use for a month for my uses. I don't think there will be any cost for my personal use. So I hope this will help you. So I also suggest if you already planning to upgrade your toolkit to the latest version or at least 13.0.4, try to utilize this feature. Definitely this will help your development faster. And honestly, I feel from other AI chat program, the code is not so much aligned in USQL. But here, all, 2-3 times I did and see that only one line, one place, some miss. But overall code looks very clean. That's all. Thank you all.